Hello, welcome to this particular video. It's still your paddy Oliver Alpha VK. So on this particular video, what I wanted to show you is how to get your referral links. In other words, the link that you use to be referring people to Triple M, sure understand me, and how to shorten that long ugly link so that it will be very short, sure understand me. In other words, as in for you to be easy, number one, to be remembering it and some other things. Now, the reason why you should get your referral link is because once you get somebody to this particular awesome program called MMM, you needed to to get the referral bonus from that person. You understand me? Obviously, that is how they structure it, and I believe that the way they structure it, as in this way they structure it, to work best. You understand me? So you need to get the referral, but obviously, now since you needed to get referral, some people we are being conditioned, especially when it comes to our country, even many human beings are being conditioned that people hardly like to be referred by people. You understand me? In other words, as in it doesn't once you are being referred by people, it doesn't deduct your money or your sources. You understand me? But somehow I didn't know, we're being conditioned that it's very hard for people. You will see if there is any possibility for someone to register without being referred. Many people will like it, but it's not good. As in, you understand me? All these things based on how we think or how we reason. Do you get it? So, but this awesome community made it in a way that you must be referred. You understand me? Before you can join. You understand me? So, there is every possibility that you have to be referred. So, in other words, if you get your referral link, many people have known much about referral link. That is the reason why about how to structure referral link. The reason why we needed to shorten it is number one, to make that long ugly link to be very short and be memorable in a way that you can understand easily. That is number one, because why shorten it, I will show you how you can customize the link. Then number two is because people are being conditioned not to be referred. Once you tell them to join this thing, as far as that is from you, they will even prefer to get it from another person. I didn't know why the reason. So in other words, once you put it in that link, they might not. Once you shorten it, it will give us a different link. You understand me? As a different looking link, but actually it contains the main referral link. So when you give it to somebody, the person do not know whether if the clone is like cloning the main link in a bitly. You understand me? So they didn't know in a customized link. So they didn't know whether if you are giving them the referral link, or you are giving them maybe the direct link or something like that. I believe that the conversion will be high when you did it like that. So without wasting our time, I wanted to show you how to get the referral link, and I just create this awesome links. You understand me? So number one, if you wanted to get somebody to the home page, and if that person sign up from the home page, you understand me, you get a referral. Then you use this number one link. You understand me? Because this number one link, as talking for of Nigeria, you understand me. If you live outside Nigeria and you are watching this video, maybe you have to look for the link of your country. I believe that is country/triplem.net. You understand me? Like our Nigeria own is Nigeria-triplem.net, and this is the home page. If you wanted to sign in, you understand me. If you're in Nigeria, you understand me. Now, if you wanted to get, as in to refer somebody, then you have to put this question mark I equals to my invitee. This my invitee, you change it with either your username. I'm not saying your name. I said the username you create. I showed it before to you. If you didn't watch the particular video where I showed it, maybe you go and rewatch it. So understand me how to register now and how to set up your profile. That is, I believe that is where exactly you see it. Now either you use your username here, or you put your email, the email you use to register. She understand me in Triple M, because you must be a member before you can refer somebody to the Triple M. So once I use this particular this link now, I'm directing that person to the home page of the registration of Triple M. In other words, to the home page of Triple M. She understand me. And if that person eventually through this link register, then he'll be registering under me. Do you get it? That is what you need to do. Then if you want to take that person straight to the registration link, as into the registration page, then you have to include this particular page, which is to the main home page, which is said registration. In other words, this has to be the link, the complete link to the registration page. You understand me? But you wanted to get the referrals, then you have to include this particular thing. Remember to change this in my invitee with your either your username, in other words, your invitee name or your email, the email that you use to register in Triple M. You understand? I will just show you this in practical. Then this one is supposed to be for the testimonial, but I didn't know why it has not yet been updated, except for this one has been updated. So if you want to show people, like let's assume that you have a program to tell people of the maybe in a video or something, like give a link or PDF, whatever it might be. You wanted to tell them that actually that this community is working. You wanted to show them the testimonial of the people. You understand me? Then you need to direct them to the testimonial page, and this is exactly the testimonial page. You understand me? This particular link from here to here. You understand me? But in case somebody wanted to register at that time you give them the link, you need to get the referral from that person. So you need to include this particular link. You understand me? So any page of Triple M that you wanted to give somebody to, and you expected as in referral bonus, as in you expected the person to register so that you gain the referral bonus, you have to include question mark I equals to your referral, as in your invitee name or your email. You understand me? So take for example, now I just use this particular one to show you an example. And if I have to copy this one now to create with either my email too, you understand me? So what I need to do is to put my email ekeska@yahoo.com. You understand me? And this, so if I use this particular link now to give somebody, to show somebody of the testimonial page of Triple M, if that person eventually register after watching the testimonial, I will get the referral. You understand me? Likewise, if I use the email, I'm sorry for putting this question mark, I missed a comma, it shouldn't be there. So if I use my email to complete this link, you understand me? If that person, after watching the testimonial and see in that page I wanted to register, he will register under me, he or she will register under me, and I'll have the referral and the registration bonus. I mean to say the referral bonus. You understand me? So whatever page you wanted to show to give to people, include your invitee, include your referral magic link, which is simple like this. If you haven't put your username, just put your email. You understand me? In that page, to that page. You understand me? Now you have seen how to create the page. You understand me? So whatever page you are referring people to, you need to create it. Mostly I use registration page, except to the Thomas people, in other words, the people that doubt that this thing is not working. So I will try to get them to the testimonial page, which is this one. You understand me? So that after watching the testimonial, they might decide to register. And if they register, because this complete link is there, guess what? They just registered under me. So you have to do that too. It's not all about working much hard. You have to work hard, but you have to work smarter. You understand me? So now I've showed you how to create the links, and each and every one of this link direct, like this one, direct to the home page, the registration page, the testimonial page. So depending the one you wanted to refer as in to direct people to. You understand me? Now when you do that though, what I needed to do is I needed to copy this particular link. You understand me? And I have to twist it. Okay, let me now do it with the one that maybe will register. You understand? So now that you have seen how to do this thing, how to create the link, what you need to do is just as you shorten that link, as you shorten this long link. Number one reason is to make it very short and memorable, and number two reason is to make it in a way that if you give it to somebody, the person will not know as in whether if you are referring the person to the community. Obviously you need to tell them to join. You understand me? But people are hardly trying to join with the people that are helping them. I don't know why. So understand me? So what I need to do now is to get this link and shorten this link. So in order to shorten link, I will show you one awesome website that I use to shorten link. Other people use another pages, another like go.go or some other thing. But if I want to shorten link, except I'm in a guidance school and they give me a specific one that I have to use. Otherwise, I'm using Bitly. I will tell you the reason why behind that. So you go to this particular page that say bit.ly and just click on enter. Do you understand me? So before you do that though, you need to register and become a member of Bitly. And you can do it, it will take a few seconds to get done. So in order to register, what you need to do is just to go ahead to this particular page that says sign up and click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, guess what? You can sign up with either your Facebook or Twitter, but I don't like to be signed up like that. So I have to create my own username. You understand me? I can come to username here and click only best. You understand me? Whatever username you want to use. Then as we are seeing on this program, we are using only best mm. You understand? You remember the email we used before, triplem@gmail.com. You understand me? Then I have to put my password, which I will not tell you my own password. You have to come up with your own password. And again, I have to put the password again here. You understand me? Come up with your own password. At the time of recording this video, this website, they put this Google captcha stuff, so you need to pass it before you can get yourself being registered. You understand me? So just click I'm not a robot. It will give you some assignment to get done. You understand me? This assignment says select all images with street number, and this place is with street number. This one is with street number. This one is included. As you can see, it came another one. You understand me? And the street number have disappeared. Let me wait. Okay, you just showed again. I just click on it again. You click on it again to wait whether if it didn't show me any other street number, so I have to click on verify. Maybe they are testing to be sure that is woman. As you can see, it didn't even sign me up. So I have to click on this street number again and again, and there's no other place with street sign. I mean to say for this time, I have to click on this particular one. I have to escape. You understand me? So yeah, I have passed that particular gate. Then what I needed to do is just click create account. As simple as that. As you can see, somebody else have taken the username. Okay, let me put triple M there. Only best triple M. Do you understand me? So you come up with the whatever. If somebody have chosen taking the username you wanted to use to create an account with Bitly, just choose add some certain things. As you can see, I just add triple M and it's passing me through. Do you understand? You can add even the date of your birth. Do you understand me? I didn't want to waste much of our time here. So once I have registered and become a member of Bitly, you understand me? Not that way I can sign in and check some other stats. You understand me? So the next thing I needed to show you how to actually the short link, and it says a simple shorten. Welcome to Bitly, simple bobo and other things. So maybe I needed to click outside. So bingo. Now, what you need to do is just you come to this place. You need to verify your. Most of the time, if you want to, but that one is not a must. You can go to your email. Let's assume that we are going to our email now. You see, it says they have sent me an verification email to verify. It's the simple of clicking on your email to verify your account. You understand me? But it's not a must. Only that there are some certain things you might not do. You might not be able to do if you not verify your account. It's as simple as that. Just click on it and it's verified. So let's go to what we need to do now. And what we need to do is just to shorten that ugly link. So what I need to do, as you can see, do not let all this thing intimidate you. I do not have any link yet that I've shared. Then I'll just click on create Bitly. And once I click on create Bitly, guess what I do? I'll copy this particular link or whatever link you wanted to shorten, either this one or any of them. But if you are putting this one testimonial, if you are putting like registration, make sure that you change this to your username or your email that you use to register in triple M. Then I'll copy that link and come to this place and just click on paste. Right click and click on paste. Then I will click on enter, or even if you didn't click on enter, to get you. Now what you need to do now, this is the link. You understand me? This is the link that they have shortened. In other words, this is the default link. You can either copy it by clicking here and go with it, or you just share. But what I needed to do is to customize that link. You understand me? So I have to come to this place that it says add, say customize. I will click here and I will delete this one that is by default. So it will be bit.ly/ whatever I wanted to customize it with. You understand me? Like this one now is directing to which place? It's directing to testimonial. So I can write something like only best Sure, understand me? Or if I want to be specific, if I'm using some as in many pages, so to refer people, I can write Olibest testimonial. Sure, understand? So that it will tell me that it's all about the page for testimonial. If somebody have used this thing, it will tell me that somebody have used this thing. So I have to twist it. Sure, understand me? So I have to click on save. And once is click on save, bingo, as you can see, so it have customized the link. Now if I copy this link now, let's assume that I come to this place and paste it for you to see it. So you see the link you have now. So in other words, we collect this particular link, this long URL link, and put it, and I can even customize it for it to be something like Olibest. Sure, understand me? I can just, I'll put something that will remind me of the link that I have. Sure, understand me? Because this bit.ly is very short, so I can always remember it, and slash whatever I wanted. Sure, understand me? So now if I copy this link now, right click or copy and go to fresh tab, fresh page, and right click and paste and click on enter. What it will do is it will take me to the actual link that I clone on that link. I believe you're understanding me. And that actual link is simple this, as you can see, simple all this thing. Sure. If somebody, so I have referred somebody now. If I'm using this link to, let's assume if somebody tried to claim that MMM is not working or something like that, I might just go and get, as you can see, even the, I might just go and get the testimonial link of Triple M. So go to the page. Once you go to home page, you can see all these things. What is MMM, FAC, ideology, MMM abroad, charity, testimonial. If you click on this testimonial, you get to this particular link, actually link, you understand me? And new. So whatever the person wanted, in other words, whatever I wanted to share to the person, I can just get that link and just click on this my referral magic sublink, you understand me? On that link, let's assume that I get this link. Okay, let's assume that I get this link. Let me show you what I mean. As a testimonial, somebody was arguing about that a triple M is not working, so I get the testimonial, you understand me? So what I needed to include is question mark I equals to my username or my email, which is could be either lion finger, you understand me? Or you just put your email, you understand me? The one will be easy for you. If you in case to be, instead of being confused, you just put your email. You understand me? Now I wanted to show that person. So look at the testimonial that people are giving out about Triple M. So what I needed to do, but if I give that person this link, some people know that this icon from here has a referral stuff, and they might not even try to register with me or under me. That I didn't know why it's happening. So I have to copy this whole link and just do it in a way that it will work. You understand me? I might even come to that bit that I showed you. Instead of putting Olibest Triple M testimonial, or I can put it like that and just give it, or testimonials or whatever that you think that can make that person to click on that link. Then you customize it. So when somebody click on the link, you customize it, you get it to the actual link, which is the actual link of that one now is here. So the person will see all the testimonies of people, and after viewing all the testimony of people, if that person through this page go to the registration side, guess what happened? The person after registration, look at this place, the person is registering under me. Did you get it? Because he get to this registration page through that referral link that I've given to him or her. Very simple. I believe that no complication here. You understand? Nothing is complicating. You understand me? So that is the summary of what I wanted to show you. Then another one that I wanted to show you now. Let's assume I have clicked on this link. So if I go to my Bitly page and go to this Bitly, in other words, this home page, you understand me? If I go to that my link, do you get it? As you can see, I will see one click. So in other words, I'll be using Bitly to be tracking people, the number of clicks. As you can see, it I've received because I went to that particular link twice. It just shows 2 clicks. In other words, I will be knowing how many people, how many clicks that I've been receiving. In other words, how many times people are clicking on that page. Did you get it? So the possibility of me that thing will be encouraging me. That's why I choose Bitly. Not only that it will shorten my line, but I will be able to know the traffic. In other words, the frequency of the link being clicked. In other words, how many people have clicked on that particular link, or maybe how many times that people have clicked on that particular link. You understand me? So if I shorten my link and give it out, I will come. If I want to shorten another one, I'll just come to this particular link. Okay, let's assume I want to shorten the second one or something like, or whatever link. Let me go for this particular one, restrictions, and show you what I mean. Lion finger. I will show you now. And I'll right click and copy and come to Bitly, right click and paste. You understand me? And Bitly will shorten it, but I want to customize it. Now I can come here, put only best, because if I put something like triple M registration, maybe somebody else have chosen it. You understand me? So I can put something like only best registration. I'm not good in typing and talking at the same time. Do you understand me? So I can just click on save to know whether if somebody have using this customization link. And no, bingo, nobody have using it. So if I want to copy it now, I have to copy it from here, and I can share it even with my friends on Facebook and some other things. You can see Twitter, Facebook, and email. You understand me? I can share it with people. And as you can see now, there is no click here. Like if I click on this particular one. If I click on this particular one, that if I refresh now, there's no click here. You understand me? It's not showing me any click at all. Do you get it? Except when somebody click on it, as you can see, 0 clicks. But let's assume I copied it and come to page and just click on enter. It will actually take me to the main link that had been cloned. You understand me? Which is the registration side of this particular triple M with my own referral link. You understand me? So as you can see it now, I just take to the referral as into so if somebody registered through this place now, that person registered under me, as you can see, invite lion finger. It's very simple. So now if I go to my Bitly and refresh, or maybe I log in at any time, you understand me, I'll be able to see the links that I have shortened. How many people, as you can see, one click on this particular one. And if I go to this particular one, show me 2 clicks. You understand me, and some other things. You get it? That is as simple as that. So what I will encourage you is to try as much as you can, get the link. Since you have known how to get the link, you know how to shorten it, get the link, shorten it, and do not be lazy. You understand me? Start showing people what you have. You understand me? So that is all. And when you shorten this link, you might put it on that your YouTube link, that place I showed you before, on your description. You understand me? Or you can use it even to tell people, okay, let me give you one idea. I might even something like now, I can say, wow, I can go to my Facebook post or something like that. I can either design a picture, or I can just go to post. I will be like, wow, I didn't know that this triple M is working until I just saw this particular testimonials and I tried it myself and it will work. You understand me? Now, if you wanted to know about the testimonials, just go to this link below. And which link are you showing them? You show them that Bitly, as in that your testimonial. In other words, this particular link. You understand me? This particular. Okay, you come to this place and type testimonial. So you show them this testimonial link. As you can see, it says the page does not testimonials. Yes, it's included. Yeah, bingo. So you show them this testimonial link, but you don't show them this particular link complete. So what you need to do, you just use this link and go to your. Remember to put your username, because if you put my username, obviously you are letting them to register under me. You understand me? So check this thing with your username or with your email. Any of them use, they are the same. You understand me? So you show them that is the testimonial link to see the test, because many people do not know that this testimonial link page is existing. for them to see the page. And when somebody go through all these pages and see the miracle and what people were testimony and the testimony of people, they will be encouraged to register. And guess what? They will register. They will look for where to register. Some of them that have been known how to register online, they will just click here to register, and obviously you get a referral bonus. That is how to do it. Work smarter. Do you understand me? So maybe some other time, if I have more idea, there are a lot of ideas, but there is no time for now. So as we are progressing, again, if you haven't registered, as in other words, if you haven't put your email with us, maybe you stumble upon this video, go to this link you see now. Look at this link. You understand me? And get your email. Listen, just go to that link and put your email, your name and email, so that whenever we always check your email. You understand me? Whenever we are ready to give more idea that I have on my head and more want to come, I have to contact the people that have put that email, their email on this particular page I'm showing you through email. You understand me? So that if anything I found new, I can share it to you through email. You understand me? And you also, the last page is our page, show as our Facebook page. Like our page, and the other one before the last page is our YouTube page. Try as much as you can to subscribe to our YouTube. I believe that together we will change the world. I will see you whenever I have any other thing to do with you. In other words, whenever I see any other thing that I will share to you that will help you to grow your Triple M successfully. You understand me? And some other part of online that I've been into. You understand me? I will see you whenever there is a time for me to see you. Bye.